The Thrifty Christian.
Okay guys, this video is to help you get tax exempt in Home Depot. In the description box below, you'll have a link to the Home Depot website that you're looking at right now. And you'll have a bunch of other things down there, such as the phone number where you can call Home Depot if you have any further questions, or message me. You'll also have some states in there. Those are the states that you are going to try to get multi-jurisdictional exemption from. And you're going to have other states that um, will be the states that Home Depot does not allow you to get tax exempt in. And for those states, you will go back to one of my previous videos, and for drop shipping purposes only, you are going to create shipping rate tables that will help you not lose money when someone purchases items from you in certain states. There will be a surcharge added on to certain states as they try to purchase from you. So anyway, let's get started with this. I'm going to go through it as smoothly as I possibly can. I did have to make a few phone calls, and that's why I left the number down there for you guys, as well as you can see it right here on the website when you get there if you have any questions. So the first thing we're going to do is check this box. I have read and agree to the terms and conditions, which most of you probably won't do it. So, but either way, continue on. Okay, over here to the right, state tax ID number. This seemed all perfect and easy when I started doing it. I thought, okay, I'll just go ahead and select my state and throw my ID number in there and I'm good to go. Nope, I was wrong. So I had to go back and do it all over again. So for my state, I chose Florida. If you have a tax ID number, that's what you're going to do. You're going to go and choose your state. You're going to go and choose, do not choose reseller, choose drop shipper if you're a drop shipper. Okay, and then hit resell drop ship. And that will allow you to put your state tax ID number in here. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. And then I'm going to click continue. That's just for your state. Okay, that's you entering your state if you're collecting tax ID, or I mean if you're collecting taxes. Now it says, do you have multiple jurisdictions to add? Click yes. And that's the part where I got mixed up. What they want you to do is that list of states that I've given you below, you're going to go through each one of those, and this is what you're going to do. The first one on that list is going to be Alabama. You're going to check Alabama. You're going to go back down to drop shipper. Then you're going to click resell drop ship. And then you're going to enter the number that they gave me over the phone. And the number is 246-810. And you're going to do this for every state that's on that list. Okay? And you're going to click add. So as you see here, it populated real fast. I have Florida. I have Alabama. And you're going to continue and create this list of all those states, and you're going to enter that number right there. Okay? After you get done there, you're going to hit continue and move on. Here it's pretty simple, self-explanatory. Just enter an email address and create a password. Okay? Okay. And this part here, you're just going to go ahead and put in your business name or your personal name, however you're going to do it. And then you will put in your phone number down here at the bottom. The one thing that I noticed about the phone number is that you have to put in the dashes. So area code dash, next 3 numbers dash, last 4 numbers, or it will not let you continue. Okay, so do that, and then I'll see you on the next page. Okay, on this next page, it's basically gonna it's asking you if there are any other authorized purchasers that visit their stores. What you're gonna do is you would, if you had like employees, like if you had a supervisor and he was a purchaser or something for the building materials or something like that, then basically you would put him in here as an additional purchaser, an authorized purchaser. So here I just put my name in there, my middle initial, and job title I just put like supervisor or something like that. And then down here you have to put a good description. It says please be specific in this description. Entering generalizations such as retailer, charity, or contractor will cause a reject status to be put on your registration number, and you may and may prevent you from making tax exempt purchases. So be as descriptive as you can here in saying that you are an online seller of uh, I would say put in what I put in was tools, hardware, construction materials, um, lawn and garden, patio furniture, um, interior home goods. I just put a lot of stuff in here. And then the down below that it says also please provide an example of 2 or 3 items you are purchasing related to your business organization. So again, um, building materials, hardware tools, things of that nature. You can just give them description, furniture, um, plants, anything to do with construction. You know, anything that you know they have in the store, I would just put it in there. And then once you do that, then just move on to the next page. I'll see you on the next one. It gives you your Home Depot tax ID number. It spits that right out for you. Okay. This ID number is the main identification for your account with the Home Depot. This will appear on your Home Depot tax exemption card, and you will need it to log into this Home Depot tax exempt account. So you definitely need to keep this number on file, screenshot this, print it out, do whatever you have to. Okay? Now, the final steps are you print the document, just like I said, and you fax it or mail it, okay, to the address below. Here's the address down here, Tax Department, P.O. Box. Um, P.O. Box 105799. So, along with that, you're going to send them your government issued exemption letter or certificate, okay? So, you can fax it or mail it into the Home Depot, okay? And after that, then you can call them and you can check on the status or whatever you need to do from there. So the next thing you need to do is print out this form right here. Okay? So after you print this form, I'm going to go ahead and pull it down, and we'll go through it together. I'll show you how to fill this one out as well. Okay, part 2 of this video is the uniform sales and use tax exemption resale certificate. So this is where you can either print it out and fill it out, or you can go directly to the link. Matter of fact, you can find this really easily by simply just typing in Google uniform sales tax and use tax exemption resale certificate. You'll find this form there. You can fill it out as I've done here, and um, then print it out, sign it, and put it with the other 2 documents, the application for Home Depot tax exemption and your resale or your tax exempt certificate. So you put this with those other 2 documents, and then you mail them in. So here's what you do. At the top right here where it says issue to seller, put Home Depot. Here is Home Depot's address that you will put in. You will put in your name or your business name. Here I just put the Thrifty Christian. And then over here to the right, you're going to check retailer. Okay? Then it's going to ask you for a description of business. You're going to say an online reseller of home goods or products. And then it will ask you for a general description of tangible property or taxable services to be purchased from the seller. You're going to say tools, furniture, building materials, etc. Whatever you can think of to put in there. This part down here, the list that I have in the description, which is this list of states right here, these are the ones that you initially filled out in the beginning of the application for Home Depot tax exemption. You're going to take all of those states, you're going to go down through this list, and you're going to type in dropshipper-no nexus in every single state on that list. Texas, South Dakota, South Carolina, Rhode Island, Pennsylvania, Virginia, Vermont, Montana, Nebraska, all of those, okay? Once you've put dropshipper-no nexus in each one of them, go down to the bottom, you put your title there, date it, print it out, and then put your Johnny Hancock right there. Sign it. Put all those three together, and again, ship it out to the address that I spoke about earlier on the form. You can fax it or mail it. You might want to call them to make sure that you can email it. So if that's what you want to do to move the process along maybe a little bit faster, you don't have a fax machine, call them. See if they'll accept it via email. Okay? So, for any other questions, guys, remember to go and check out this video that I'm going to put here as one of the videos that you need to watch as far as filling out those rate tables. So that way you can charge a surcharge to those states that are not on this list right here to prevent them from causing you to lose money if you make a sale to them. Okay? So guys, any other questions, you know what to do. Put them down in the comments box below. If this video has helped you out, please give me a thumbs up. Just one. That's all I care about. Just one. Appreciate it. Love you guys. Any questions, holler at me. Thrifty Christian. I'm out of here.